Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, children. Sorry for the delay. Because of heavy rain, traffic was too tight. So our bus was little bit late, and here also little connectivity problem. That's why classes started late. Okay, shall we start?
Okay.
Okay, we have to complete our Pythagoras theorems problems. Did you go through the theorem and its proof? Studied, Gauri? It's very important theorem. It's a 5-mark question. It's a 5-mark question, okay? Study well. I don't know whether this chapter is included for this MCQ. If it is MCQ, the things will be different. I don't know. If it is MCQ, triangles will be very difficult because theorem won't be there. Otherwise, that 5-mark is a sure question. If it is an MCQ question, they can't give theorem and its proof. So questions will be, I don't know what will come. Okay, let us wait. In the end of July, they will declare which of the chapters are including for MCQs. Okay, and today onwards, we are going to start a practice on MCQ questions. Okay, today itself, I will post 10 questions from polynomials. From chapter polynomials, I will post 10 questions. You you take a new page and write MCQ questions, chapter polynomial, and do these 10 questions. Options also given. You do these 10 questions, and tomorrow also I will send some questions, 10 questions. And not tomorrow, today, Friday, Sunday, again, I will send next set of questions. And after that, Tuesday or Wednesday, I will send the answer key so that you can check the whether your answers are correct or not. Okay. In the beginning, I won't send the answer key. You try the questions, do it, and write the correct answers. And after giving all the questions, I will send the answer key so that you can correct your answers. If any doubt, that we can discuss also. Is it clear, all of you? So today onwards, we are starting practicing MCQ questions. Okay. Before Autumn, you will have an MCQ test also. So we have to practice on that, how to do. Okay. So take your textbook, page exercise 6.5, page 151. Page 151. Page 151. Exercise 6.5, page 151. Write question number 9. Question number 9.
Can you repeat the page?
151. Page 151. Question number 9. Question number 9, very simple question, but it is repeatedly asked question. A ladder of 10-meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Page 151, question number 9.
Draw that ladder now. Is that the 0.54 one figure is there. The A, B is there.
Then this same question in 8th standard again.
Isn't it? Okay, the same question will come in the trigonometry chapter also. Using trigonometry also, we will do this. Roshan, did you write the question? Roshan?
On page number
151, page 151. Question number 9. Navneet? Wrote the question, Navneet?
No writing.
Right. Those who wrote, read and try to draw its figure. Simple question, you can do that. Question number 9. A ladder is a ladder of 10 meter reaches the window. This is the ladder. Ladder of 10 meter. 10 meter reaches a window. Window which is 8 meter above the ground. 8 meter.
Now this figure we need to draw.
Yes, draw. Why not? Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. This is wall. Let it be A, B, C. What we need to find? Distance from the ladder to foot of the wall. What we need to find here? Distance?
Distance from the foot of the ladder.
In the figure, what is it? From the figure, what is the distance from the ladder to foot of the wall?
10.
Base.
10 meter.
No. What is it from the figure? Rohan, look at the figure. You can say, Rohan, from the ladder to the wall. What is the distance? From the ladder to foot of the foot means on the ground. Foot of the wall. So what is the distance from in this figure? Ladder to foot of the wall. Here it is, the distance in this figure. What was the distance?
8.
No. Ladder on the ground.
Let me see.
On the ground. Wait,
Is-
Rohan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ground. This is ground. Ground. Ladder to foot of the wall. The bottom of the wall. So what is it, Rohan?
Ma'am, 2.
No need to say the answer. No need to say the answer. In A, B, C, which side it is? Which side it is, Rohan? In this triangle ABC, which was the side?
AB.
AB is the distance from ladder to foot of the wall, not in the ground. This is wall. Wall is not in the ground, no. Foot of the wall. Foot of the wall means what? Okay. So write whatever given. AB equal to 10 meter. AB equal to 10 meter. BC equal to 8 meter. BC equal to 8 meter. Here BC is the wall. BC is the wall. So in triangle ABC, this will be 90 degree because the wall is straight. On the floor, on the ground, wall stand straight. So this angle will be 90 degrees. So it is a right angled triangle. So in triangle ABC, we can write AB square, Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. AB 10. We need to find AC. AC we need to find. So 10 square equal to AC square plus 8 square. So AC square equal to 10 square minus 8 square. Find out.
What is 1 square there? Then near that B, one box is there.
What is 10 square minus 8 square? Calculate.
$164.
10 square minus 64 is
36.
36.
said that one. Karthik, is it 164?
Sorry, ma'am.
Uh-huh. 36. So AC equal to 6 meter. AC equal to 6 meter. Therefore, you have to write the answer as therefore the distance of the foot of the ladder, the distance of the foot of the ladder, foot of the ladder from the wall equal to 6 meter. From the wall equal to 6 meter. Foot of the ladder. Foot of the ladder is this A, not C. C is the top, isn't it? A is the foot of the ladder. From the foot of the ladder to foot of the wall. So the distance is on the ground. Clear, all of you, this question? Very simple question. The ladder is leaning upon a wall. We need to, and ladder's height is given, wall's height also given. We need to find the distance between the foot of the ladder, that is A, and foot of the wall, C. This is the distance we need to find. So, well, clear?
Yes.
Question number 10. Right, question number 10.
Taut means T-A-U-T.
Tight. Draw the figure, write the question and draw the figure. A wire is attached to a pole. One end attached to a pole, other end to a stick. And the wire should be tight. Okay, we have a pole. A wire is attached here and a stick is there. And where we have to keep the stick so that this wire is being tight. So this will be the figure. So wire's length is given 24 meter. Wire 24 meter. And pole is of height 18 meter. This pole 18 meter. So question, where we have to keep this point so that this wire is being tight. So again, since it's a vertical pole, given that pole is vertical, so this angle will be 90 degree. Let it be ABC. AC is 24, AB 18. AC 24, AB 18. So we can easily find BC using Pythagoras theorem. So AC, that is our wire, equal to 24 meter. BC, pole, 18 meter. We need to find BC. So in triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. One of this question is sure, whether it is MCQ or descriptive. This question is sure. And it is very simple also. AC square is 24 square equal to 18 square plus BC square. So BC square equal to 24 square minus 18 square. Find the value. How much, Anjali? What was the answer?
Ma'am, I'm calculating.
Yeah, do it.
I'm 252.
252 BC square equal BC square equal to 252. BC square equal to 252. BC equal to root 252. And simplify this root 252. It's not a perfect square, but you can take some part outside. Make it factors. 252. 4 will go. 6. 63 again. 3 will go. 21. Again 3. 7. So this we can write 4 into 3 into 3 into 7. Root of 4 is 2. From these 3, we can take 1. So 6 root 7 meters. Sometimes in your MCQ question paper, options will be there. And you got root 252 now. BC equal to root of 252. But that option won't be there in your answers. Sometimes option root 7. Sometimes option is 6 root 7. So you have to factorize 252 and check. Take the square numbers outside. So you have to do practice in this way also. 252 maybe won't there in your options. So sometimes you will write none of these, but 252 root 252 equal to 6 root 7. So you have to check the factors of 252 and take the square numbers outside of the root. Okay. So it is 6 root 7 meter. If it is not MCQ, no problem. You can write it is root 252. But if this 6 root 7 option is there, you have to find out. Okay. So the answer is the stake should be driven. Therefore, the stake driven 6 root 7 meter from the base of the pole. The stake should be driven 6 root 7 meter from the base of the pole. After that, question number 11. Right, question number 11. Emrin, are you left-hander, Emrin? Okay, okay. Left-handers are lucky people. Hmm? Question number 11. 11.
Ma'am, why the left-handers are lucky?
Huh? Huh?
The left-handers are lucky.
Left-handers are commonly lucky. Lucky people they are.
They're
You
geniuses.
try.
That's
Genius also, yes, yes. Many genius are left-handers. Okay. Try, son, try. Okay. Can I start? All of you copied? An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 or 1200. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Okay, children, all of you try to draw the figure. Try to draw the figure.
it will be a triangle now. That is going up and down.
You know what is where is north, south, east, west. Then try to draw the figure. Rest of the thing I will explain. Just to draw the figure. Aeroplane starts from an airport and it flies north. So our north is north, north, south, east, west. So aeroplane starts from the airport and it flies north. So this way it flies. And the speed is 1000 kilometers per hour. Another aeroplane starts from the same airport and flies due west. Due west means this, due west. Okay. And what we need to find, how far apart will be the two planes, the distance between the two planes, distance between the two planes. So A, O, B. How many of you draw correct figure? Raise your hands. Okay, Karthik. Then, how many of you got? Eva, you got correct answer? Huh? Some okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Anybody else? Sovel, did you got correct figure?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Now, all of you understood? The aeroplane moves, flies north. So it is north is vertically up, north, south, east, west. Another aeroplane moves west direction. And we need to find after some time what is the distance between these two aeroplanes. So this is the position of first aeroplane. This is A, B is the position of second aeroplane. So their distance between them is AB. Okay. And speed is given. We need to find distance. Speed and time also given, isn't it? Yes, after 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, we need to find the distance between them. Their speed is given. So what is the formula for speed? Speed equal to distance by time. So distance equal to speed into time. Distance equal to speed into time. So OA we can find. First we will find OA. OA is the distance traveled by the first plane at a speed is 100,000 kilometer per hour. OA is the distance traveled by the first aeroplane at a speed of 1,000 kilometer per hour. So OA equal to ST, speed into time, 1,000 into 1 and 1 by 2. After 1 and 1 by 2 hours. So this is equal to 1,000 into 3 by 2. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So 1,500 kilometer. This is OA. OA is the distance traveled by the first plane at a speed of 1,000 kilometer per hour after 1 and 1 by 2 hours. Similarly, we will find OB. OB is the distance traveled by the second plane. OB is the distance traveled by the second plane. Distance traveled by the second plane at a speed of speed is 1,200 kilometer per hour after the same time, 1.5 hours. So OB equal to speed into time, 1,200 into 1 and 1 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 600, 1,800 kilometer. 1,800 kilometer. Now we can find our distance AB. In triangle name AOB. AB equal to, in triangle AOB, AB square equal to AO square plus OB square. Pythagoras theorem. Then you can complete that. Okay. That is AB square equal to AO. AO is 1,500 square plus 1,800 square, and find the distance AB. Okay. Do it for the next class. Attendance please. 10C Ebin, Alham, Alnaros.
Ma'am, Ebin present.
Okay. Alham, Alnaros.
Present, ma'am.
Ananda Krishna, Alham absent now. Ananda Krishna, Anjali,
Present, ma'am.
Anthony, Arun, Ashik, Adulya,
Present, ma'am.
Bastin, Devasena,
Present.
Dominic,
Present, ma'am.
Elsa,
Present, ma'am.
Emrin,
Present.
Fahad.
Ma'am, Ahlam is present.
Who?
Ahlam.
Ahlam. Okay. Then Elsa, Fahad, Gauri,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam,
Present.
Jerlyn, Jesslyn, Justin, Karthik, Kshetra, Lakshmi, Melita, Lakshmi, no, Melita, Minha, Revu,
Present, ma'am.
Minha present, Minha, no, Said, Sania, Shania,
Present, ma'am.
Towel,
Present,
Sean,
ma'am.
Sean
Towel
present,
present.
okay, Sean,
Present, ma'am.
Sean present, Sriram, Srihari, Swati, okay, present, they are present, okay, okay. Now 10B, Aaron,
Present, ma'am.
Agna, Alicia, Anaj, Angelo,
Present, ma'am.
Ashna,
Present, ma'am.
Godwin, Lena,
Present, ma'am.
Chrisjo, Delvin,
ma'am.
Sister present, Delvin,
Present, ma'am.
Elna, Isha, Iva, Shifana, Kisan, Krishna,
Krishna present.
Maria,
Present, ma'am.
Meghna,
Present, ma'am.
Nihal, Nasil, Nabil, Navneet,
Present, ma'am.
Nasrin, Noble,
Present, ma'am.
Rachel George, Rachel Boben, Raya, Rohan,
Present, ma'am.
Roland,
Present, ma'am.
Roshan, Shweta, Vishnu, Shweta absent. Okay. Thank you, children.